Hey, welcome everybody to The Writing Glitch, the podcast where we turn learning challenges into success. I'm Cheri, and today we bring you a little Christmas magic. Teachers and occupational therapists, are you ready for a little sparkle in your classroom this holiday season? I've got a festive activity that combines math, creativity, teamwork, and fine motor skills and pattern recognition and all kinds of magical learning experiences. It's called the 12 Days Stocking Problem. Here's the story. Santa's workshop is buzzing with excitement. 12 elves are busy helping Santa fill stockings. But there's a twist. Each elf has a special role that involves flipping and filling the stockings. On the 12th day, some of the stockings remain open and ready for treats, but only if the students can crack the pattern. This activity isn't just fun, it's impactful. It aligns the impact learning framework to promote inclusion, metacognition, perseverance, adaptability, confidence, and transcendence. Here's what's included in the PDF. It's an easy to follow instruction so you can set up quickly. It has hands-on math challenge that is perfect for groups of any size. It's creative and it creates prompts to spark discussion and critical thinking. It has fine motor practice for the younger students. And the best part is it's completely holiday themed and ready for you to download right now. Want to try it out? Head to disabilitylabs.com for your free copy of the 12 Days Stocking Problem PDF. And don't forget, share your students' results with me at cheri@cheri.org.com to be featured in a future episode. I can't wait to see how your students solve this festive puzzle. You'll get a PDF with a bunch of stockings on it that you can make copies of. The stockings will look like this. So student one, each student gets one stocking to color in. So when you glue them together, student 2's stocking will be on the back. So student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, student 5, student 6. Now, you may need to help them put the curling ribbon through this little loop here. I'm afraid that we'll have some students that will tear that off. If not, you'll have to be creative. You could be using a hole punch and punch it at a different location. I just happen to go through the loop and put some curling ribbon on it. Then you're going to be putting the stockings on a poster board, which unfortunately I don't have, but one that I can show on the screen here. But when you have all of them on, they're all going to be facing the left. Then on day 2, student stocking set 2 is going to turn. Stocking set 4 will turn. Stocking set 6, 8, 10, and 12. And on the directions on the PDF, you will have a sample of what day 2 looks like. On day 3, you're only going to move every third stocking. So stocking 3, stocking 6, stocking 9, and stocking 12. On day 4, you're going to move 4, 8, and 12. On day 5, 5 and 10, etc., until you get through day 12. And the idea here is, what does that pattern look like on day 12? And what does the pattern look like in between the days? Have the students talk about what has changed about the patterns and one of the things you can ask is, how did they feel about putting their stocking adjacent somebody else's stocking? Some kids may not have really cared for that, but that creates the teamwork where everybody's stocking is important to get the end result. So hopefully the idea is starting to gel in your mind a little bit. So download that PDF and we will see you next week. Until next time, remember, learning doesn't have a glitch. It can be magical because you were put here for such a time as this. Go be awesome. Go be brilliant. This has been Cheri. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.